Exercise 4.4, question number 1, first part. Let's draw the rough figure of that question. In the first part, you have given a quadrilateral. Its name is DEAR. DEAR. DE is your 4 centimeter. EA is 5 centimeter. AR is 4.5. Angle E is 60 and angle A is 90. This is given. Got it? This is the given information that we have written in the rough figure. Now, before starting, you have to check whether base is given to you or not. If you want to, yes, listen to me, very important. If you want to take these base angles in the bottom line, in the base line, you can change the name. Got it? It will be much more easier if you take these base angles in the bottom line, in the base. Got it? So instead of starting like this, you can change the figure, you can change the rough figure, you can draw the rough figure again. Means we want to take EA in the bottom line. So let's change the name if you want. Otherwise, you can draw in this manner also. But it will be much more easier if you take these base angle E and A in the bottom. Got it? So let's change the figure. Take EA in the bottom line. Let's draw the figure again. EA. Name of the figure is DEAR. DEAR. Got it? Got it, beta? So I have changed the name. Now let's write the all detail again. DE is 4 centimeter. EA is your 5 centimeter. AR is your 4.5 centimeter. Angle E is 60. Angle A is 90. Now, Vanshika, tell me how you will start. Yes, we will draw EA is equal to 5 centimeter first. Then at E. How you will draw 60 degree? Open the compass of any small radius. Make the first arc from here. When you join this line, this will gives you 60 degree. Now, draw this first. Draw this. Draw 90 degree at A. Yes, next step is we have to draw 90 degree at A. Again, in the same manner, you will draw a semicircle here from A of any radius. If you will put the first arc, this will be of 60 degree. Second arc will be of 120. Make half of this. This will give you 90 degree. Got it? So let's increase this line and give it name Y. Is it okay? Tell me the next step. Yes. From E, we want this line segment of length 4 centimeter. From E, you will put the arc of 4 centimeter that will cut your EX at D. And in the same manner, what will be the next step? We have marked the arc for this ED. Now the next step will be DR. How? Yes, Laksh. Yes, from A, we will draw the arc of 4.5, which cut AX at R. Now join this D and R. From A, you will put the arc of 4.5 centimeter. From E, we have drawn the arc of 4 centimeter. Now join this D and R. This will give you a quadrilateral DR. Second part, rough figure is, yes, listen to me first. Before starting the rough figure, that make sure that the angles must be on the base. If it is not so, then you will change the name, as we have done in the first part. Yes, yes. दोबारा बना लेंगे. Or we can change the name also. Instead of drawing the figure again, we can change the name also. Now the next is, yes, look here. As you can see that angle R is your 75 and angle U is your 120. These two angles are given. As you can see that these two angles are given, so it's compulsory to take these two things at the bottom line. The name of the figure is true. So we will start from TRUE. Is it okay? Got it? Now these two angles R and U we have already written on the base. Is it okay, beta? Now in the similar manner, before starting in the first part, if we have checked the angles, then we can draw the figure at the first. जैसे आपने पहले ट्राई किया ना, 2 बार फिगर बनाई थी, तो अगर आप उसमें भी एंगल चेक कर लेते तो हम ऐसे ही ड्रॉ कर सकते थे उसमें भी. नाउ write the dimension. TR is your 3.5, RU is 3 centimeter, UE is 4 centimeter, and angle R is 75, angle U is 120. I have written all the dimensions. As you can see that minimum 5 dimension we are needed. So 5 dimensions are given to you. So we can start it. Now, this 75 is a multiple of 15. So we can draw this angle using compass. And 120 is again a multiple of 15. So this angle will also be drawn with the help of compass. Now this is acute angle. So it will be in the inward direction. And 120 is your obtuse angle. So it will be in the outward direction. Got it? Now, start from the base. You will draw RU is equal to 3 centimeter. Start from the base. RU is 3 centimeter. Start this. Now, at R, you have to draw 75 degrees. Open the compass of any radius. Put the semicircle here. From the first point, if you mark the arc, this will be of 60. Second is your 120. Make the half of 60 and 120. This will gives you 90. As you know that 90 is not required. It is a not main part of the question. So we will draw the dotted line. But if you will draw the solid line, then no problem is there at all. You can draw this in the solid form also. Now make the half of 60 and 90. This will gives you 75 degrees. So draw this and write here X. Now the next step is at U, you will draw 120 degree in the same manner with the help of compass. So put the arc, put the semicircle here of any radius, draw the first arc. This will be of 60. Second arc is of 120. As you know that 120 is your obtuse angle. So if you will join this, it will become like this. This is your, this point is your Y. And now the next step will be, yes, who will tell me the next step? Bolo Akhilesh. कितने की? 4. From U, you will draw the arc of 4 and this will be your E. And from R, you will draw the arc of 3.5. This will be your T. Now, the next step is join T and E. This will be your quadrilateral true. For drawing any type of quadrilateral, at least 5 things are required. But here only one side is given. So you will write here all sides of square are equal. So in this manner, each side will be of 5 centimeter. So right here, each side is of length 5.1 centimeter. Now, each angle is 90 degree. So we are using these two results that you will write side by side. And here, No need to draw all the angle as 90, but if you will draw the two base angle as 90, then you will get the correct figure. Got it, beta? So we will draw only two base angles as 90, but it's not compulsory. If you want to draw all the angles as 90, you can draw. Now, start with the main figure. Firstly, you will draw RE as 5.1. Then at R, you will draw 90 degree. At E, you will draw 90 degree. Here also, you will draw 90 degree. So this is your X, this is your Y. Start this. Ramneek. Ramneek. Ramneek, what will be the next step for this? How you will complete this square? Pragun. Yes, Renuka.
Ma'am, now we will open the compass of 5.1 centimeter and
Yes.
arc, make a arc from R and E and join them.
From R and
E.
E. From R, you will draw the arc of 5.1 centimeter and this will be your D. And in the same manner, if you draw the arc of 5.1 from E, this will be your A. Again, you will write here 5.1 centimeter. Now join these two. This will give you a square. And this length of this line segment will be 5.1 also. If you want to measure this, you can. In this manner, you will get a square and its name is reed. In the next question, you have given a rhombus whose diagonals are of length 5.2 and 6.4. How you will do this question?
मैम पहले हम जो हमारा वो है READ रीड लिख लेंगे।
What?
फिर इसके बाद
क्या लिखेंगे?
पहले हम लाइन लगाएंगे 4 सेंटीमीटर्स की, जो पहली, क्योंकि हमारे क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ 2 डायगोनल्स ही दी हुई हैं।
हाँ जी।
तो पहले हम छोटे वाले की लाइन लगा लेंगे, फिर उसके बाद लाइन का हाफ से ज्यादा हम ऊपर से और नीचे से दोनों से कट लगा लेंगे।
Perpendicular bisector we will draw. Actually, you have given two diagonals, one of length 5.2 and the another is of 6.4. Now, when you will join these will gives you a rhombus whose sides are not given. Got it? Yes, you can take. If you want to take this 6.4 in the baseline, you can take. Actually, both are even. But one question that we have discussed earlier, in that one of them is even and one of them is odd. Got it? एक था ना 5.2 and another one is 6.5. If you remember, एक क्वेश्चन हमने सिमिलर टाइप का किया था, उसमें हमने क्या किया था, इसको डिवाइड करते हैं तो इट विल बिकम 3.25. दैट विल बी
फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज का थर्ड पार्ट था।
यस, सो इसमें ऑड था, इसलिए ऑड वाले को ऐसे ड्रॉ करेंगे बेस लाइन में. बट हियर बोथ आर इवन, both the numbers are even, so you can draw any of them in the baseline. So let's start with this 5.2. So here name is not given, you can write the name as ABCD or any other name. If you want to give, you can. So you will draw the base AC as 5.2, that is your one of the diagonal. Now the next step is you will make the perpendicular bisector of this line. That perpendicular bisector will divide this line into two equal parts, and that must be perpendicular on this line AC. So you will open the compass more than half of this. You will draw the arc in the upward and in the downward direction of this line. And from the same radius, you will draw the arc from A also. And in this manner, you will get this line. That is your X, Y. So this line is the perpendicular bisector of your AC. Got it? Now, we have used one result. Which result we have just spoken? Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect means they are dividing each other. At 90 means they are making 90 degree. And this line you all know is making 90 degree with the base. And the next step will be, next step is more than half of the line AC. Yes, exactly. You will make half of this 6.4. Yes, what is the half of 6.4? 3.2. So from this point, you will name it as O. From O, you will make the arc of 3.2 here. And in the bottom also, you will join this. This will gives you a rhombus. And the name of this rhombus is A, B, C, D. This is your 3.2. This is also 3.2. Complete this question. Write the step of construction for this question also.